Vampires, mummy skeletons, knocking doors and having fun. Pumpkin lanterns light the way for the monster spooky play.
Hey guys, it's Jen.
And this is Chris.
And we're with Monsters and More.
So we're here at the Target in E-Town, Kentucky. We've been seeing some stuff that shows that Target's getting some stuff in, so we thought we would check this one out today. So won't you come along with us and let's go look and see if we can find some code orange in here.
Let's go get some spooky stuff.
Let's go. Okay guys, it looks like we do see some code orange here in Target in E-Town, Kentucky. Elizabethtown, Kentucky for you that's not from Kentucky. So it does look like they have some stuff out. Not fully stocked, but they do have some stuff.
Well, them are neat.
That's different.
$10.
And I guess they're, so you can
Position them any way you want.
Yeah. Don't know about the pink, but they do got the orange and the black and the gray. And I guess for anybody else that wants the pink, they got it.
Little $5 birdies. Little punk rockers.
Look at that. What'd you knock off over one?
That was not me. I was over here playing
Well,
with the birds.
Hey, look here.
What mischievous deeds are we up to tonight? Perhaps something that may cause a fright.
Cheap, you know, it's a cheap ornament.
Yeah.
But that's not bad though, and it's see the price on it?
This is the one we have.
Yeah.
Listen.
$30 is what they are.
We have one, her, and we actually hang her up in our upstairs window and put a light up underneath of her. It looks awesome because I really don't care much. I don't know if you can really tell, but I don't really care much for her face. But far away.
Yeah, it looked cool in the window upstairs last year.
Yeah, and I like these. These are only $5, but they're like a velvety kind of. I like those. I don't like the pink, but.
And here's this one. See what the witch does.
Candy corn, chocolate, or something to chew. What can this witch create for you?
Oh, that's cute. Yeah, something that's not too scary for the kids.
Yeah.
If you're wanting to do cutesy.
Yeah, no, these be cute hanging off the porch.
Yeah. And I think that one.
Oh, well, he moves his little shoulders.
And I think all of them was like $30.
I'm late for a party and I'm the ghost of honor.
Okay, now I like
That's
him.
Cute. It's
yeah,
different. That's definitely
he's cute.
different.
I'm late for a party.
So, all right. Who does he remind you of?
Oh my gosh, back in the day movie.
No. The comedian that's got the jalapeno.
Oh yeah.
What is his name?
Donald or
Yeah,
Jeff.
yeah. That looks like the what is it?
Name.
The it's the skeleton that's like
You got your crashing witch. I like
here,
those.
we'll get that and put on the
we don't have a tree, but
well, we got that post out front.
yeah. $15 for that.
And then they've got this, and I did see these they're kind of cutesy. It's 8 foot Reaper, $180, but I'm surprised these are still in. And then here, get these. Because they're evidently, these are selling out pretty quick. People like that one.
Oh, well, that is neat.
It's cutesy too, but $150. They don't have any set up here or anything.
The pumpkin
Yeah,
rocker.
And even this is not, that's pretty cool if you don't have a, for if you wanted a blow up
yep.
archway. All right, you want to go back here? They got stuff over here.
See, that's the spider we have from.
Yeah, that's the one we got.
Yep.
5 foot.
Oh, I like that bite sign. That's only $15. You got a pumpkin.
Now, last year they had quite a bit of stuff set up, which I guess is still early, but where you
have
could
your
kind of see what it looked like.
inflatables. He's cute. $25. $35. Well,
Pumpkin
he's
character.
cute. Look at him.
Mm-hmm.
$35. And you got your little puppy dog. $35. Giant spider web. Oh, that's something like what we have.
Was that 15 for that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
15.
Yeah,
That's
that's
not
kind of like
bad.
the one you put over our fireplace.
Reaper. Oh, no, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Do you know where that would be cute
And
at?
he kind of moves his hand back and forth as it's lighting up, like he's waving.
That'd be cool out in the garage with the band.
Yep, it would be.
Be like,
yeah,
that's cute. You got your stake lights. $15 for them. Then you got your little lights, $10. You got your spiders, your bats, your cats, your ghost. Then your projectors, $25. Pumpkins, spider web and spiders, ghost, skeleton, haunted house. How big are those signs? Just say how long they are for 35.
6 foot.
Wow.
So it looks like 3 pieces, or
That's
maybe
not
no, it's
bad.
more than that. It looks like they're folded, maybe 3 pieces, but they're folded into 4 little turnt pieces. I guess what it looks like. Yeah, so they're both 6 foot.
It's not bad. And then of course you just got your regular lights, your mini lights.
And I think these little trees right here is pretty cool.
And you got your
I don't know how much they are. 45.
45.
Yeah, 45. Here, let me set that up and get a better view of it. It's a little, what is it, a little Christmas tree? Or a Halloween tree, I guess.
And you got you some tombstones here, $10. Alright, it looks like you got your trees, your wreaths. And your pillows.
Now, we'll say they do have the Servo Skeleton. Those sold out last year. It's early. Can't believe there's 2 sitting here, but they sold out very fast. Like, we drove everywhere trying to find these last year because Jen had to have it. And she can put the link to the other video where we did the setup and played it, where you can see what it looks like if you're interested in it.
Yeah,
but it's very worth the 150 because he does a lot of stuff. He turns, talks, his arms is moving.
And you got your little skeleton animals. But I don't think any of these make any noises. Oh, it's a chihuahua.
And the cat
My
does light
Lily.
up, which is cute.
Yep. And you got your hanging bats.
Hey, that ain't bad. $15 for a skull that big.
Hey, you know what I'm...
You know
Mm-hmm.
what was you gonna say? Sorry.
It's a tree. They don't have them here yet.
What trees?
Remember I want to get the arms to do the pumpkin guy? Alright, and then you got your skeletons over here. $40, $45.
This one looks new. I don't remember them last year with that color.
I like that.
That's pretty cool.
Then your medium sized ones are $20. Then you got your little ones over here for 15.
And then they have blow mows, and those are cute. Because those are
Mhm.
different. You don't really see those in a lot of places.
2 big signs, $10 a piece. Oh, ain't he sweet? He's cool looking too.
And those are just $10.
Yeah, that's not bad.
They're small. They're not very, I don't know. They're probably 12 to 14 inches tall, probably. And then these are a little bit bigger down here. I like this cat one. It's different.
Yeah, that's cute. I like the little Reaper.
And those are, what, 20? A little bit bigger.
Yeah. Yeah, they're cute.
And then that lights up pretty
That
good.
is bright. Oh, is that it is a mister.
$25 for that. That's different. I haven't seen one of those. That's cute.
That is cute.
And what was you saying? Oh yeah, pumpkin mystery.
It's a mister.
Oh yeah. Put water in it and it'll pump out.
I want one now.
Yeah, it is. 35.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that'd be cute. Cute with hey, I like this too. Look at that. That's different.
Yeah, that's neat.
Does that even lights up, don't it?
Is that a planner? Oh wow.
That's definitely different. Well, I don't know about planner, but I would say is that a planner or a
Candy bow?
Candy bow. Yep, candy bow. And then look. That's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Haven't seen none of these anywhere.
I like it. That's different.
For 25, all those are 25.
What's the little owl do?
That's different. Let's see what the bat does. No, he's gonna take off flying.
Oh my gosh, so I'm getting ready to tell my age. And if anybody knows out there, just keep it to yourself because
What is that? A bunch
Listen.
of kids won't know what it is.
well, no. Listen, does anybody remember being a teenager and having phones exactly like that? I had one in my bedroom, and is exactly like that. Like
Yeah,
you
it
could
lights
see
up.
the inside of it, and when it rained, it would light up. And that way,
You knew
Mom and
somebody's
Dad, I
calling?
hope you're not listening. I turned the ringer off, and that way I hid the phone under my blanket. And when the house phone rang, I was like, oh, it's for me. So, telling my age again, but that was so cool.
Right, me.
Expect tricks and treats galore.
Well, that's cool.
That's different. They got a lot of different stuff that I haven't seen anywhere else already. Let's see.
And we got that one. I like that. Put your hand on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it.
You can. Yeah, I like that.
For 15.
Look at that.
That's different. All right, here's one more. Wait a minute. Let's do this one, then we'll. That's cute too.
That's neat.
Different.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
No, that's okay.
Watch as I emerge.
I like that.
Now you'll be wanting that one.
Mhm.
And then they have the doorbells.
We got that one.
All right, and let's see what this one does. That's different.
I like that too.
different. That's not bad for $15. They got more stuff than better stuff than what I thought. And maybe last year they just sold out of a bunch of it early.
So that's like our little phone.
Yeah. Does it?
$15.
And that one
Oh,
shines
it's
up
a
on the
projector.
ceiling.
Here, stick it down underneath there.
I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yep. Yeah, that's neat.
And then you have this one.
I like that.
Sorry, don't really do much, but
Oh, he's a disco ball. If I didn't already have one, you know what I was thinking.
yeah, out in the garage.
Yep.
Where we're gonna have our bar and stuff at.
Yes. Then you have your cute signs.
And you got your little disco guy, disco pumpkin. Let's get you.
He's exercising.
That's Pumpkin Simmons.
Oh my goodness. So your signs down here at the bottom are 15, looks like 15. Your Happy Harvest 20. $5 for these. That's not bad. $5 and 15 for those two. That's cute. What are you packing that around for?
Are you getting it?
I don't know. I'm over here trying to do the math
yeah,
in my head. I'm like, I want about 3 things.
Well, I'll put it back up. I don't know if you're getting it or not.
Yeah, it looks like you got your cemetery kit. Well, he's cute. You get skeleton, spiders, and a web.
I hope you don't get no skunk with it.
I like that.
So,
Alright, and over here. What is that?
their mask? It's just a. Well, no, I don't know. Maybe it's a whole.
I think it's the whole thing.
Let's see what it is. It's probably a hang. Yeah, it's a.
Hanging thing
So,
for like.
Yeah, they're $10.
Oh, yeah.
Just a neon ghoul hanging.
Yeah.
And they got orange, black, white, and the pink.
And these are your little $5 shelf. Oh, looks like they have some pumpkins. Did those light up?
I don't think so. I think they're just plain sitting around. Well, no, they do have a
They
little
do
light.
light up.
They do the
Okay.
brighter eyes, but yes.
And those
They
are
do.
different colors. They do have an orange one down there in the mix. But
Yeah, looks like they have a couple in the back.
that's your $5 rack.
Another $5, right?
Yeah, I got that while ago coming in. Well, guys, I don't think the shelves are fully stocked yet, but you've seen we had a ball tonight.
Yes, and we did, and Jen had to have 2 things, so
I'm getting the Mr.
she had to
Pumpkin,
have the
y'all.
Mr. Pumpkin.
I'm gonna try it. And listen, I couldn't pass this little ghosty up. He's so cute.
Yeah, you just want it because he acts like you when you've been drinking too much. Like,
Oh.
Okay, guys, thanks for joining us in this video. So Jen did happen to get 2 things in here. Of course she did.
I did.
And she got the little ghost and the
Look,
was it the little the mist and pumpkin.
I sure did.
Yeah, she did. So thanks for joining us today. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you great content.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.